Eating eggs or egg yolks can increase your cholesterol or probably cause you a heart disease. Now, this is one of the most common question that people ask when we ask them to eat eggs every day. Let's find out if it's safe to eat eggs. Yeah, I'm Syed Jamil from WeTransform, and let's find out through some research papers if it's actually a problem. Now, if you look at this research, it says association of dietary cholesterol or egg consumption with incident cardiovascular disease and mortality. This is on PubMed, okay, one of the trusted websites for research papers. I just scroll down and I look at the conclusion and relevance. So in this it says, among US adults, higher consumption of dietary cholesterol or eggs was significantly associated with higher risk of incident CVD. CVD means cardiovascular disease. Okay. Now this research clearly says that if you eat eggs or cholesterol through food, you are going to have risk of heart attack or probably some heart disease. Okay. Now one thing that you need to look down here, conflict of interest statement. This means this research has been funded by medical or pharmaceutical companies, okay, receiving research support from Acos, Amgen, Glaxo. All these are pharmaceutical companies. So they have funded this research. So basically, this research says that you cannot have eggs because it can cause some cardiovascular problems. Now let's look at some other research papers. Now this is a research on ncbi.nlm, okay, very reliable resource for these kind of research papers. The research name is frequency and quantity of egg intake is not associated with dyslipidemia. Okay. This was in 2019 May. Let us find out what was the conclusion of this report. It's a very lengthy report. Very lengthy report. Very detailed, in fact. Okay. So here is the conclusion. According to the result from this study, eggs do not increase the risk of dyslipidemia and can be consumed as part of healthy diet that is high in fiber and low in saturated fat. Okay, let's find out if there is any conflict of interest. So this research was funded by Greece and European Union. So there was no pharmaceutical company or no egg company funding this research. Conflict of interest. The author declares no conflict of interest. Now, this means that this was not funded by anybody, so it is not biased. Let's go to the next research. That is also on PubMed. Egg consumption and risk of coronary heart disease and stroke. Okay, let's go to the conclusion. Conclusion: higher consumption of eggs up to 1 egg per day is not associated with increased risk of coronary heart disease or stroke. Okay, let's go to the third research. Again, this is on NCBI, this website, very handy. Valid research papers are here. The impact of egg nutrient composition and its consumption on cholesterol homeostasis. If I go to the conclusion, again, a very lengthy research paper. Okay. Here is, interestingly, the current studies have tended to show that the consumption of eggs is not a risk of CVD, cardiovascular disease, in healthy people. Now again, this research does not have any conflict of interest. All authors declared no conflict of interest. Yeah, it was funded by University of Tennessee. So again, no egg company has funded this or any pharmaceutical company. The last research paper I would like to show is dietary cholesterol and lack of evidence in cardiovascular disease. So let's go to the conclusion. And conclusions. The current literature does not support the notion that the current literature does not support the notion that dietary cholesterol increases the risk of heart disease in healthy individuals. Okay. However, there is ample evidence that saturated fatty acids and trans fats increase cardiovascular disease risk. So basically, it means that these are not. This report supports intake of egg and egg yolk. So if you see here, who has funded this? The funding, investigators' work and publication costs are funded by Institutional Startup Fund, and there is no conflict of interest. This means, again, it was not funded by a pharmaceutical company or any egg production farm. Okay. Now that you have seen the research papers that I've shown you live, I leave the decision of eating or not eating eggs up to you. However, all my members make sure that they eat at least 1, 2 or 3 eggs per day, and they have got some amazing results, whether it is weight loss or cholesterol or their energy levels, because eggs are very nutritious. However, if you can get pasture raised chicken eggs or country chicken eggs or organic eggs, that's even better than the normal eggs. So all the best and enjoy your eggs.